So you have to get a competitive edge with a magnetic keyboard, but you haven't got the money for something like the Wooting. Well, I've got here, this is the Drunk Deer A75, and this thing you can upgrade with an aluminium case to make it extra premium. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. So welcome back, gaming nerds. If you're after that competitive edge, you come to the right channel. I'm going to give you the statistics for data, all the technology reviews, take apart mice, keyboards, mod them, and allow you to dominate in the gaming arena. So today we're going to be taking the Drunk Deer aluminium case and pinning it onto the plastic. See if it makes an improvement. I'll show you how to do it as well. But let's give it a little bit of a sound test first against the Huntsman. This is the TKL V3 version as well. It's the latest one from Razer. So the Drunk Deer first. You ready? It's not too bad. Here's a Huntsman. Prepare your ears. Back to the Drunk Deer. I think Drunk Deer still sounds better, to be fair, even on the stock plastic case. What do you reckon? I can complain. What I mentioned was like it's quite a bit of flex in it, but uncommon, I guess, for keyboard plastic versions. We compared that to the KDB Fans one we built the other week as well, same kind of style. That's a lot more flexible. It's not too bad actually compared to it. So let's take it apart. Let's put an aluminium case on it, see if it makes any difference. Right, let's say we take this apart then. Assuming I've not looked at any guides, so actually let's take a look at the aluminium case first. They send us a new cable. Toolkit maybe. Got a nice keycap puller, which is good because I totally forgot to get one before. And then we got a USB-C to Type A as well. Toolkit, this feels like. It's like a, I don't know. It's like a cuticle pusher for nails. I know it's my missus' nail tech. Some new screws, tidy, and the Allen key all. Cool, an Allen key screwdriver. So what we got? It's a pretty rough plate. That's a sticker on the back. Aluminium case. It's well finished. The inner case. See that? This is a sticker. Presume it is. Some rubber feet. Yeah, it is. Hey, hello camera. Like a little aluminium bar. Oops. So, let's take this puppy apart. Let's go back to the manual, because it clearly wrecked it straight away. Take off the knob. Key puller, remove the knob. Really? Let's see what the Drunk Deer's made like. Use a prying knife provided. Insert it into the gap. Okay. Feels like you're gonna crack it. There's some clips there. There we go. There's a bit of foam in there as well for some sound deadening. You can see all the little. We did break one in the process. See it? Just be a bit careful. It's probably the first one we did. The other ones all look intact. The PCB looks like. If you fancy putting something else, maybe there's another case we can put it in. Assuming now we just put that straight back in there, your aluminium one. Yeah, you kind of liking the blackened thingy thing, or do we need some better keycaps, I reckon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the tightening pattern. So we've got different size screws. I'm not doing fully tight yet until we get the alignment right. Most concerned with the screws, you're going to scratch the aluminium. What we didn't put in there is the foam though. Did he say to put the foam in? Guess not. It looks like from the back. These always get fingerprints. These are the weights, aren't they? What do you reckon? Like a combo? So we've got the Drunk Deer, and then we've got the faithful, the benchmark, the Razor V3 Pro TKL is the benchmark for sound testing. Right, so here we go. So what it sounds like, and then we'll compare it to the Razor. Let me know what you think's best, and if you can tell the difference between the earlier part and we did it in the plastic case or not. Razors. Just dropped on my keyboards. Here's a KDB. I can't remember what version it is, but we made it on stream, plastic one. It's not bad for the money, but it's quite flexible. Kind of a good comparison, I guess. A bit more muted. Just sound a bit more cheap, doesn't it? Seabass, the Razor one. It's a bit too like pingy, the Razor one for me. I think Drunk Deer's come out okay. It's definitely got no flex now, so it feels more weighty. Does it feel better to type on? Maybe a little bit firmer. Right, there we go. Definitely like the combo. I think I need to look at some keycaps maybe for it. I don't know. Overall, I would mod it. I think aluminium case is always better.